next day.
I made coffee last night. I drank it today. It was hot last night. It's cold today. I did that because I'm going to go to the gym and that will serve as my pre-workout. Why is it still raining hard? Done with the gym session. I had 30 minutes of cardio and 30 minutes of heavy. What is that noise? These doors kept waking me up last night. 2 doors. I'm out of water, so I'm going to buy 2 containers of water. Let's go. I now have water. Now I'm going to buy lunch. I'm going to buy chicken breast and broccoli, which is my diet. Crash diet actually. Just so I can make it, fit in time for my Singapore travel.
When you're in like a steam room at the gym or a sauna, it's hard to breathe.
We are on our way to Terminal 1 for the countdown of the opening of Terminal 2. So windy out here. Woo. The mayor is here. The schedule of the invite is 3 p.m. It's already 3 p.m. And we're nowhere near the complete invitees here inside. Many vacant seats at the front. Vacant seats there.
To the final countdown. Ladies and gentlemen, we have all these esteemed
It's
guests from local
3:28.
government units. We also
just
have
started.
our amazing
It just blacked out.
our best
It's back.
to really fix.
Together in 3, 2, 1.
Here at the Bataan Cebu International Airport. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.